What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and today I'm coming to you live from New York City. Finally got in town. Huge delays with travel. Had 3 canceled flights. Then the flight before I was actually supposed to get here, we got delayed because the bathroom caught on fire. I don't know what that was about, but I am here. Finally, it's after 5 o'clock. And I have some boxes that arrived while I was in Canada land, good old Canuckistan, hanging out with Alice Coat Duck and a whole bunch of other people. So I'm going to do an unboxing for each one of these. I've taken off people's return address information because I don't believe that people should know where other people live. I don't care if you know where I live, because sending me stuff is awesome. Or if you show up and want to hang out, I'm more than likely not going to be there. So I'm here. Of course, I've got Archimedes, my owl, just like Drac has his Heaty Hooty. I've got my Archimedes, and it's actually been 1 year since I got Archimedes from Drac. So yeah, happy anniversary to the owl family. The owl nerf family, I should say. So I want to crack into one of these. So I will go with parcel number 1. Now, this was sent to me by a good friend, and I am going to use my electrical snips here to open this. I know what's inside. I think it's very squishy, and so hopefully it's something nice and warm, because New York just had snow. They didn't have a whole lot here in the city, but it was enough to cause 1,000 flights to be canceled. Ooh. Ooh. This is gorgeous. So, she knitted me this wonderful hat. Oh, the color is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, man. Oh yes. This feels so great. It's wool, and so the yarn feels just absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Lauren. And so I'm going to take this off because it's going to get very, very hot very, very quickly. I'll be wearing this all this week while I'm here in New York City. The second one has this lovely international symbol on it, and it's got a lot of really cool stickers on the back. So that means it comes from New Zealand. Now, I ordered these parts a while ago, and I haven't been expecting them, simply because I know how long shipping takes from that part of the world, because generally things in New Zealand have to go through either Australia or they've got to go through like LA, and it takes forever. But these are from a relatively new person on the block. Not exactly new, but I got some parts from BiggsNZ. Now, if you haven't heard of BiggsNZ, you should definitely look him up on his Etsy store. He does translucent resin casting for Nerf parts. And I got the brand new turquoise kit, and it's a full kit. Now, the other really cool thing about this is that I got something ahead of other people, and my really, really good friends at Containment Crew, oh, these look so good. These require no finishing whatsoever. Oh my god. So the guys over at Containment Crew have been partnering with Biggs, and they sent down a copy of one of their 13mm battery trays. Now, Biggs doesn't normally offer these, but I think he's going to be offering them soon. Don't quote me on that. But these are amazing quality. And so he decided to send me a 13mm tray for the Strife kit that I am going to build. And God, these parts are just amazing. I've got the extended mag release option, and I also went with the Bobo Rev trigger. And of course, it's got all the little extra brackets. So, God, these look absolutely insanely amazing. oh my god, he even includes the little plates. Oh my goodness. This is just incredible. It's definitely worth the wait from New Zealand. Like, you guys have no idea. These parts are just absolutely spectacular. The detail work on these is amazing. So, if you can just see that. I don't know how good the clarity is, but oh my god, the lighting on these is gorgeous. I can just only imagine having LEDs in this bad boy. And that's, I think, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some LEDs on this stripe that I'm working on. When I get home, of course, because I never am home. But it is what it is. So, thank you, Biggs. These parts look absolutely spectacular. And I cannot wait to build this. It's going to be so baller. Oh, man. I've seen resin parts out of other people in the community. And I'm sorry, Biggs is just 100% the best. And they're a little bit more expensive, but for what you're getting, it's absolutely not expensive. The amount of work going into resin casting is just phenomenal, and this guy, I will have a link in the description box down below. You need to go visit his Etsy store, like, now. And the final package here, I know where this comes from. If you know this logo, Greehas. I ordered a couple of items from him as well. And Greehas is a very good friend. We haven't gotten to hang out much, but it is what it is. I also ordered these directly off of his Etsy store, and his Etsy store will be linked in the description box below. And of course, what I bought were the chrono scripts. And oh my mercy, these I'm really excited for. Oh, neat. Oh my god, he sent me a long strike keychain. That's awesome. Oh, the long strike's like my favorite blaster. I know it sounds weird, but the long strike is one of my absolute favorite blasters. Even though they perform terribly, I love them for the function, or the form, not the function. And of course, he sent some. He sent a sticker. Love that. It's a lovely little stripe sticker, and of course, his card. Now, again, his information will be in the description box down below. But these are the new chrono scripts. These look spectacular. The print quality is pretty amazing. I know exactly how long it takes him to print one of these, and I am honestly surprised that he's selling them at the $15 price point. I know that that these guys, I know he wanted to keep them under the Kronos' price, but guys, you should definitely get a pair of these. If you've got any Kronoses lying around, even the Deadpool ones, these black ones will look fantastic on them. Definitely look for my review of the Kronos grips from Greehas. That should be coming up in the next day or two. I'm going to still film it. I'm going to film it relatively soon. So yeah, I cannot wait to throw these onto a brand new Kronos. I did not bring any of my Deadpool Kronoses, unfortunately, but these will look fantastic on those too. Oh my god. Like, there's just something about good 3D printed parts that just make me so happy. Anyway, I know, long rambly video. Stay steamy, my friends. Thank you again to Greehas. Thank you to Biggs, and thank you, Lauren. Stay steamy, my friends. If you like this, please throw me a like, comment, subscribe. All the links will be in the description box down below. Have a great day.